If you're over 65 and walking has started to feel harder instead of easier, this video may change how you move for the rest of your life. Doctors are quietly changing what they recommend to seniors, not because walking is bad, but because walking alone is no longer enough after 65. And most seniors don't know this. Today, I'll show you what doctors now suggest instead of long walks, why this works better for aging joints and balance, and how just 5-10 minutes a day can protect your strength. Stay until the end, because this isn't exercise the way you're used to. It's something safer, smarter, and designed for your body now. Walking used to be the gold standard, but after 65, the body changes in ways walking cannot fix alone. Here's what happens with age. Muscles lose strength faster than endurance. Balance systems weaken quietly. Joints need stability more than repetition. Walking only moves the body forward. It doesn't train standing from a chair, turning safely, preventing falls, supporting weak hips and knees. That's why many seniors say, "I walk every day, but I still feel weaker." It's not your fault. Walking keeps you active, but it doesn't keep you strong. Doctors now focus on what protects independence. Instead of longer walks, doctors now prioritize functional movement. That means movements your body uses every day. Standing, balancing, gentle resistance, controlled motion. This isn't a workout, it's movement training. Studies show seniors who practice this fall less, walk with more confidence, feel steadier within weeks. And the best part? You don't need equipment. You don't need to sweat. You don't need to leave your home. Move. 1 chair, rise, sit, stand, sit again. Slow, controlled. This protects hips, knees, and independence. Move. 2. Heel to toe, balance. Hold a chair. This trains the brain and balance system. Move. 3. Wall push. Hands on wall. Gentle push. Strengthens arms and chest. Safely. Move. 4. March in place. Lift knees slowly. Improve circulation and coordination. Move. 5. Controlled reach. Reach up, reach sideways. Keeps shoulders and spine mobile. That's it. Walking keeps you moving. This keeps you capable. Seniors who do this daily report less fear of falling, better posture, more energy by afternoon, easier mornings. Doctors call this protective movement. It doesn't replace walking. It supports it. Start slow. Do this once a day. Stop if something hurts. Consistency matters more than effort. 5 calm minutes daily beats an hour you dread. Aging doesn't mean shrinking your life. It means moving smarter. If you're over 65, your body isn't broken. It just needs the right kind of movement. If this helped you, comment, "I'll try this," and subscribe for videos made for seniors, not athletes. You still deserve strength, and you're not done yet.